Hello, Key Stage 1. Let's get ready to have some fun. We're going to look at words today. There's a special challenge coming your way. It is Wednesday, the 8th of July. Good morning to all of Key Stage 1, especially Gorilla's class. Today's video is going to hopefully help you with today's activity, vocabulary challenge. Woo, words, yay. There are some words in the poem that you might not know what they mean. So today's vocabulary challenge that you should all have in front of you, hopefully, is to try and match the word to the definition. So the words are, and I'm just going to read them off the old list here: on account of, grant, grouse, humbly, plainer, charmingly airy, and lace. Now, what I've done to help you with trying to figure out what in the blue blazes these words mean is I have put all the words in sentences for you. Hopefully you can see this, and I'll go through it a little bit slower in a minute. But what I've done is I've chosen some words that you need to match with the definition and pop them in a sentence. And as a special challenge, I would like you, once you've figured out what the words mean and have matched them to the definition on your worksheet, I would like you to do the same thing and use those words in a sentence. However, you are not really supposed to just copy mine. You can use them to help you, but make sure you try and think of your own amazing ideas as well. Okie dokes, let's go. So the first one, the first word I can see on the worksheet is on account of. Now, there are lots of different definitions on the other side of the worksheet. I won't go through them because you can probably see them in front of you. So the sentence I've used on account of is up here. On account of COVID-19, schools shut for months. So on account of, what could it mean? Could it mean allow? Could it mean because of? Could it mean pleasantly fresh? Pleasantly fresh COVID-19, schools shut for months. Sounds funny, but not necessarily accurate. Could it be a bird? A bird, COVID-19, schools shut for months. Not necessarily. So have a go at what you think it might mean. So sentence number 2. The word is grant or grant. Both are correct. I shall grant you 3 wishes, said the genie. So grant, I shall grant you 3 wishes. What could grant mean? Have a look at the definitions and try and put those words together to see if they make sense. So some of your options are because of, a bird, allow. So I shall because of you 3 wishes. Doesn't really make sense. I shall allow you 3 wishes. Possibly does make sense. Okay, that's the only answer I'm going to give you. I'm not going to give you any more. Okay, here we go. The next word is grouse. Fun fact. Yay, fun facts. The grouse is an omnivore. Now, some of you might be sitting there thinking, what the blue blazes is an omnivore? If you know what an omnivore is, let me know on Friday's live lesson, or you can ping me an email. It's up to you. But you should really know, because we did it in science, although it was quite a while ago. So we've got carnivore, we've got herbivore, and we've got omnivore. So have a think about that one. Just an extra double challenge, because I know Key Stage 1, you love challenges, especially Gorilla's class. They do love a good challenge. So the next word is humbly. Now, when I wrote this sentence, I really did think of myself, and I thought, what could I humbly do? And I think you will all agree that this sentence that I'm about to read out is very accurate, very true, very correct. Here we go. I humbly accept the award for Best Artist. And I'm not talking about musical artist, I'm talking about, an artist that paints and draws, and yes, humbly accept that. The next word is plainer. You can't explain that any plainer, said Ben. The next one is charmingly airy. My new house in Cyprus is charmingly airy, light and bright. And the last word is lace. Her new dress was made of silk and lace. What could lace mean? Have a look at the definitions, what matches up. So I hope this helped you. Your challenge, once you've figured out what the words mean, your challenge is to put those words into new sentences just like I've done here. So have a go and have fun doing it. Hope it helped you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.